Here, this is the control panel of our DC machine. You can see the blue button is the power button. After you press that button, the video goes so fast. Okay, this our DSS8 is without the quick turn switch, so you need to install the modes piece by piece, just like our engineers do. And you can see here, you need to press the blue button, the power button. After that, you need to choose the mode. There are two modes of this model. One is manual and one is auto. After that, you need to press the green button. Then the dice will go forward. After the crimping job is doing, you need to press the red button. After that, the dice will go backward. And then you can get the hose assembly. You can get the hose out. You will get a hose assembly just like this way.